Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kakola Juma, student of Good University. Today we are going to learn about some key facts about YouTube. And YouTube is actually a channel where one can display maybe his content and other graphics, designs, images and so on to the public so that they can access it. And for you to get accessing it, you have to go to Google. Maybe if you like, also you can go to the left corner of the computer and type maybe from the search bar so that you can get it. But for me, definitely I'm going to Google. From Google, you will see at the right corner of the computer it is in. At the right there are some dots that maybe you click on them to see the apps that is existing. So you see there YouTube, and then you click on it, it opens. And when it opens, it shows also the videos and other things. Like the one which have been in it, like me, I used to prepare actually, and see they like also sending it into my account and show. And maybe it also, the first thing it shows that maybe allow or block. This one where it, in case you want notifications and other things and so on. So for this, we are going direct away where maybe if you want to search a video, maybe your content created by someone, you can go and type it at the search bar, and it shows clear. So maybe I've been searching before SmackDown or so on and so on. So but right now my concern is not it to search it. And here in YouTube, they like this home, maybe where you want to operate your video designs and so on, the product that you are in, like the brewer is filling machine, water treatment plants and so on, maybe product that you are in, and useful reason for maybe like your videos. What do you expect out of it? Maybe if your video is for to teach others about other, like maybe computer practicals and so on. And we also have why and other things. The resource is also the contacts and so on. So but our main concern here is this is also displaying about the products, maybe in the fashion breweries and so on. But our main concern is to introduce what the first base is all about. This is how it is, but using agree and privacy policy and terms. In case you click on it, it means you accept what any other changes maybe YouTube is going to do in your phone. Maybe there are certain prohibitions where a movie you upload and you want a kid not to watch and so on. And you also have like maybe in case you get maybe a link that is sent to you WhatsApp, you can get it through here. Whether a call, or a message, and so on. Maybe you want to scan it and so on. So by this, I'm just going to I like watching it daily and so on. You can see it over there. You can see it there, Nigeria's and so on. Like people whom have been subscribing to my account and so on, they're all here. And in case maybe I want to download, maybe you want good form, this is how you can get to it. Maybe I want to watch a movie of these people and so on. Maybe I search what I want here. Maybe if I want a short clicks like the short videos and other things here now. Maybe in case I find that the channel is more accessible to my life, maybe it's all about maybe e-learning kind of things and so on, and I feel like maybe I should receive a notification when the passion produces the next video. Then I'll subscribe the passion and then like it and comment about it.
No, babe.
And here it now shows where my videos are. Like this is what I've been producing. But then if you want to switch to your account, maybe view your channels, how many videos you have, You can just press there like this. You check on them and check on how many videos are there, saying 8 and number of subscribers, 7 and so on. That's what it's telling me by now. So onto this, you also, if in case you want to download, this is the option where you can download it. In case after watching the movie you feel like you want to keep the copy of it, you can download. This one also, when maybe you want to create a content, maybe you want to upload a video, you go to create and then you upload. Maybe you want to go live, you click on it and then you create your content while in live, and then maybe you want to create a post. This is also the aspect of it. And then let me show you the aspect where we can subscribe. Maybe first of all, I want to subscribe this one and this episode here. I click on it.
WPS Office is a free office software that includes Writer, Spreadsheet, Presentation, and PDF, providing a seamless working experience for multiple devices like PC, pad, and phone to achieve high work efficiency anytime and anywhere. Compared with most Office software, WPS Office stands out for requiring less memory and enjoying faster speed. WPS Office supports multiple operating systems, such as Mac OS, iOS, Linux, Android, and Windows. Different devices and systems will no longer be the stumbling block for smoother operation and higher work efficiency. Real-time multi-person previewing and editing are available with the help of WPS Office.